Hello, I'm here today to speak with my colleague Rich, who is the European Director and leads in the UK and Nordic regions. I'm the UK Sales Director, and I've been in the company since the start of the year, but I've been working in the nutrition industry in marketing and sales for 22 years. I'm a nutritional therapist, a registered nutritionist, and I have a biochemistry degree and a master's degree in human nutrition. Rich, hello. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Helena. I'm in my second year at TCI. I have a background in product development and nutrition, and over the past 7 years or so, I've worked with a range of companies in both the UK and in Europe in developing products in the health and wellness sphere. I studied the same masters as yourself, Helena, and I also studied sports science at undergraduate level.
Thank you, Rich. So as we can see from this first slide here, the collagen market is currently worth $8.4 billion globally, and it's actually expected to reach a staggering $16.7 billion by 2028. Clearly, TCI helping to grow this category. So I'm curious to learn a little bit more about VeCollal in the context of growing our opportunities further. And I wondered, Rich, if you could start by explaining a little bit more about VeCollal, what it is and why it was developed.
Sure. Over the time I've been with TCI, I've seen a huge growth in the interest levels in collagen and the benefits of regular consumption of collagen and how it can benefit the skin, hair, nails, and even your joint health. Alongside this growing trend, there's been a sharp increase in the plant-based market, not just targeted at the vegan population, but flexitarians who wish to reduce their intake of animal products for a number of reasons, such as their own health, but the environment and sustainability as well, for example. So if we look at these figures in slides 2 and 3, it shows the escalating plant-based market and highlights the continued growing awareness of the environment and sustainability. David Attenborough's Green Planet has recently showcased the environmental impact of plant-based versus meat product consumption.
I remember seeing that program recently myself. It was actually a really good David Attenborough documentary series.
Yeah, it was excellent, yes. Over the past few years, we've had numerous requests for a vegan collagen, which it's quite the misnomer, as there is no such thing as a plant collagen, as plants do not contain collagen. Hence, when we became aware of the science and the potential of VeCollal, which is a vegan collagen alternative, we became very interested. From that point on, we've worked collaboratively with VeCollal to ensure this viable alternative has the depth of research, has test results, and also has the manufacturing capabilities to really disrupt the market. For manufacturers like TCI, the challenge has always been on producing an effective plant-based collagen supporting product. Often we'll find that although the products are environmentally sound, the efficacy is lacking somewhat, whereas VeCollal has that scientific background as well as the environmental good news story.
Yeah, that sounds really interesting, Rich, but there's no such thing as vegan collagen. So what actually is VeCollal?
Okay, so this is where it gets interesting. So VeCollal is actually a biomimetic of type 1 human collagen. So to understand that part, what we really need to do is start to understand what collagen actually is. So collagen is the most abundant protein that we have in our bodies. Its fiber-like structure is used to make connective tissue. Like the name implies, this type of tissue connects other tissues together, and it's a major component of bone, skin, muscles, tendons, and cartilage. So it helps to make tissues strong and resilient and more able to withstand stretching.
So tell me, am I right in assuming that collagen is found naturally only in animal flesh like meat and fish? And is it right that a variety of both animal and plant foods contain the materials for collagen production in their bodies?
Yes, that's correct. So collagen is only present in animals, but as you say, plant foods can contribute to its production. So as we age, as our bodies gradually make less collagen, generally after the age of 25, although your collagen production drops most quickly due to excessive exposure to sunlight, smoking, alcohol, lack of exercise, poor diet, lack of sleep, for example. As we age, collagen in the deep layers of our skin changes from a tightly organized network of fibers to kind of like an unorganized mess, really. As I mentioned, the environmental exposures can damage the collagen fibers, and it reduces their thickness and the strength, and that's what leads to wrinkles on the skin's surface.
I can certainly relate to that. But it sounds very complicated. Do you have an easier way of explaining how collagen can help the skin?
Yes, so I came up with an analogy which may make it a little bit more easier to understand. So imagine yourself camping.
I can't imagine myself camping, Rich. I'm not a camper.
Okay, no worries. So let's, for argument's sake, just take yourself out and put yourself in a tent.
Okay. I'm there.
So you're camping overnight and there's been a huge storm. And when you wake up in the morning, the tent poles have weakened. So the outer skin of the tent, which is our epidermis, our outer skin, has started to sag because of the tent poles, which have weakened. So taking collagen, in effect, helps to strengthen those tent poles. So the structure underneath the skin, which is called the dermis, and so it reduces that overall sag.
So I've seen in vitro tests that TCI conducted, which highlighted an increase of 135% skin collagen density at a concentration of 10 milligrams per mil over a 2-day period. But are there any more studies planned as far as you're aware?
Yes, there's currently an in vivo study where the results will be available in April. And there are over 70 studies on the particular ingredients within this blend.
Oh, great. Okay. Can you explain a little bit more about how collagen supplements work in general?
Yeah, sure. So with normal collagen supplementation, you get collagen peptides, which is hydrolyzed collagen. What that means is it's broken down from forms of collagen so that it's a lot more easy to absorb. So collagen supplements contain amino acids, which are known as the building blocks of protein. Now, this is where it gets interesting with VeCollal, because it contains the exact same amino acid profile as type 1 human collagen, as well as these inductors, which I'll speak about, which are vital to ensure that the amino acids can actually resynthesize once they're in the body. As you can see here, this slide shows the VeCollal amino acid profile in comparison to bovine and marine. And this shows how it matches exactly to the type 1 human collagen. Bear in mind, although this is a thoroughly breakthrough ingredient blend, it does only contain the one type of collagen, which is the type 1 human collagen, whereas bovine, porcine and marine can contain other types of collagen as well, namely type 3.
Okay, that sounds interesting. But can you explain how the body converts a mix of amino acids then into type 1 collagen, and also what these inductors are, please?
Yeah, sure. So we have these amino acids within the product, as I mentioned, that they perfectly replicate the type 1 human collagen. But without certain inductors, these will not resynthesize as collagen once they've been consumed. Instead, what would happen is it would be metabolized elsewhere in the body. So we have the correct dosage of vitamin C, ginseng, and Asiaticoside to stimulate.
Not an easy word to say.
To stimulate the body to make optimal use of this perfect supply of amino acid building stones that have been provided by VeCollal. So this ensures that the fibroblast cells effectively reform the amino acids into type 1 human collagen. So if we look at the slide there, it shows how you have the amino acids, the 3 inductors, and it enters to the fibroblasts, and then from there you get your type 1 human collagen. If we just look at the molecular weight of what VeCollal is as well, it's around 120 Daltons. And with that allows for really fast and rapid absorption. And this is far less than most animal collagen products, which are usually between 2,000 and 5,000 Daltons. although we at TCI do have a tripeptide which is between 250 and 500 Daltons.
Oh, okay. And of course, Daltons are a measure of molecular weight as well. Okay, so tripeptides, I'm guessing you're referring to TCI's MaxiCollagen with that.
Yes, yeah. So MaxiCollagen is a recent development between ourselves and Maxigen, who are a medical device technology company, whereby we have created this tripeptides with a 250 to 500 Dalton molecular weight, yes.
Great. So which is better, VeCollal with 120 Daltons or MaxiCollagen with 250 to 500 Daltons?
That's an interesting question, although it's not really a matter of which is better, because both have their place and there is a huge potential for both VeCollal and MaxiCollagen. As mentioned previously, VeCollal perfectly mimics type 1 human collagen, which minimizes fine lines, improves skin elasticity and hydration, strengthens your hair and nails, and it also supports muscle recovery. Although remember, it is only one type of collagen, as we mentioned. In animal collagen products, you will find other types as well. That combines with type 1 to help with the skin and good for the joints. MaxiCollagen actually contains 9 different types of collagens. Okay, but yep. If you're bearing in mind that VeCollal is the only vegan collagen blend which perfectly makes amino acids in the exact ratio of type 1 human collagen. So as you can see, both amazing technologies, but both very different.
Understood. So clearly they both have a place, but it really depends on our customers' market needs. Okay, I understand. So could you tell me a little bit more about how this would work in application? What format is VeCollal available in?
Yeah, sure. So if you see this slide here, this highlights what we can do with it. So VeCollal is a very versatile blend. It can be either flavored or unflavored. It has the capability of being used in liquid format, powder products, capsules, potentially gummies, and hopefully in the future, it could potentially be used in topical products as well, such as sheet masks and creams. If a company wishes to use the blend, we are capable of making it happen in most formats that are available in the market.
Great, thank you. Many of our customers would ask if this product might actually cannibalize their existing collagen product already in their range. What would your response be to that?
Yeah, so this product is finally to offer the benefits of a collagen product for those who are either vegan or taking a more flexitarian approach. It can be for those who are looking to reduce the carbon footprint but still want to improve their skin health. Therefore, it should really open your market up as opposed to limit it.
So who would be the customers we'd be likely to work with on this?
Yeah, so potential customers are those with existing collagen ranges. Now we can provide a viable alternative for their plant-based end consumers, or even for customers who are solely vegan companies and want to offer a quality, effective product to their range to compete with the ever-growing collagen market. With the right market positioning, it's a perfect added value to any company's portfolio.
Excellent. So, Rich, do you have any last comments on the product?
Yeah, I'd say VeCollal, it's the first of its type in the marketplace. It has a wide array of applications and has proven efficacy for skin. We'll also continue to research the other possible benefits of the product, such as joint health. I'm super excited by this collaboration and can see a huge disruption in the nutraceutical marketplace with VeCollal. As one of the most innovative and creative contract design manufacturers around, we can work with you to create the best bespoke products for your end consumers.
Fantastic. Great. Thanks for that, Rich. Now, if you would like any further information on VeCollal, please refer to the information sheet and PowerPoint deck, which details some of the information Rich has touched on here. We'll make sure that's included in the link. Many thanks.
Thank you.
There are a wide range of supposed vegan collagens on the market, but the challenge is in finding a non-GMO, scientifically proven vegan solution. VeCollal is the world's first non-GMO, science-based biomimetic collagen, which has more than 70 clinical research papers to support its efficacy. VeCollal is unique because it is the only commercially available non-GMO vegan collagen alternative, which is 100% identical to type 1 human collagen. As a result, it has excellent absorption efficiency. In an in vitro study with TCI, VeCollal collagen technology stimulated fibroblasts by approximately 135%. Fibroblasts maintain structural integrity of connective tissues, including production of epithelial cells and hence skin and joints. VeCollal, the world's only science-based non-GMO biomimetic vegan collagen alternative for foods and supplements. Market-leading innovations with TCI. Contact us. There are a wide range of supposed vegan collagens on the market, but the challenge is in finding a non-GMO, scientifically proven vegan solution. VeCollal is the world's first non-GMO, science-based biomimetic collagen, which has more than 70 clinical research papers to support its efficacy. VeCollal is unique because it is the only commercially available non-GMO vegan collagen alternative, which is 100% identical to type 1 human collagen. As a result, it has excellent absorption efficiency. In an in vitro study with TCI, VeCollal collagen technology stimulated fibroblasts by approximately 135%. Fibroblasts maintain structural integrity of connective tissues, including production of epithelial cells and hence skin and joints. VeCollal, the world's only science-based non-GMO biomimetic vegan collagen alternative for foods and supplements. Market-leading innovations with TCI. Contact us.